In this tutorial, we will learn how to fix cell editing issue in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some data. So when you click on this any cell, you can't edit this data. You can see here I just click one click, double click, but Excel not allowed to edit this data. If you want to edit this, you click on this formula bar and you can edit it. Okay, see this, you can edit it here. But you here Excel not allowed to edit any cell. Okay, so if you want to fix this issue, so just click on the file tab, click on the more option, click on the accounts, sorry, click on the options. Here you can see the all Excel option. Click on the advanced. Here you can see the edit in editing options. You get the one allow editing directly in cell. Just click on it and click on OK. That's it. Now Excel allow to edit the cell on clicking it. See here. So I can easily edit here by clicking on cell. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.